everyone, Shiva here with another Tesla video. Today we're going to be installing a phone charger as well as a sunglass holder, and this is fully motorized, so it should detect your phone and put it in place. Sometime every now and then when I'm on a road trip, I wish my phone was right here in the front because I have to look in the navigation here or put my phone down in the central console. So sometimes I wish my phone was right there. This also is super helpful for folks who drive for Uber or deliver things and they need to use their phones to see the navigation and everything right here in the front. So let's install this today and then see how it is. I'm going to be providing a detailed review of this product. It is from Topfit. They make a lot of Tesla accessories. You can check them out in Amazon. I'll put a link below for Topfit in Amazon, as well as the link of this product. Let's get started. So let's just do unboxing of this and then see what is inside. So in the box, we have the actual charger. So this has the pivot here, and this is motorized, as I said. And one thing, before I forget, is there's this buttons, one here, and then one on the other side here, that you have to press to get this to come out so that it expands, and then you can put your phone, and it'll auto-detect your phone, and then it will close it in. This pivot arms are leveled right, so there is R here for the right, and then there is L here for the left, and that is the orientation is gonna go. So if you want on the left side or you want the right side of the car, you have an option on where you install those. Here is your sunglasses holder, and we have the cables inside. But this sunglass holder right here, it is rubber. It's not plastic. It's very, very soft. And it just goes on the back of the center screen that you're gonna install in just a second here. Here they also send you a screen cleaner. Here's your charger. This is pretty long. It's a decent sized charger, and it's a USB-C. So it is supposed to charge your phone a little bit faster. And then they also send you a cigarette lighter, and it has a quick charge. It has a quick charge 3.0, as well as there is the 2.4 amp max from this one. So you can plug this in, or you can plug in the USB in your front where there is a center console. You can plug that in over there as well. And they send you the owner's manual and instructions on how to do it. And then finally, here is your base. So this is shiny in the front and not as shiny in the back, and this is where we're gonna put it on the back of the center console, and these are the tabs where we can install various things. Okay, so we are ready to install this phone holder / charger, and before we actually put it on the screen, because it becomes a little tedious, let's first install everything that we need to install here, and then we'll put the whole assembly into our central screen. And to do that, let's start with this tab. So right here it says L, and this tab is gonna go towards the driver's side. That's why we're doing this, the left tab. And how it works is, since this is gonna go like this on the central console, we're gonna wanna put the left tab here. And the assembly is pretty easy. What you do is there is this slit on the tab, and then all you have to do is slide it in. So we're just gonna do that and slide it in, and you heard the click. So once it click, it's securely in place. Next, let's install the actual charger. And what you need to do is loosen this, and to do that, you just twist it, and once it is, you can even take this out, but once it is sufficiently loosened, you can leave it here, and that tab from the bracket is gonna insert right here. But you have to pay attention that the bottom of this charger is here. This is gonna hold your phone. So make sure this tab is towards the bottom, and you align your charger. All you have to do is push it in, and you will hear a click. So you heard the click, and you can go ahead and tighten this here. Now, once finished, it should look like this. So your phone holder is here. This is facing the bottom to hold your phone, and then this is your bracket. Now let's install the sunglass holder, and it's the exact same thing. The sunglass holder has this tabs in the back right here. They just slide into this tabs of your bracket. So we're just gonna slide it in, and this is how it should look. Those brackets are in securely, and the sunglass holder is installed. Finally, let's install the charger. So to install the charger itself, there is this USB-C port right here, and you just want to slide your USB-C cable here, and it's good to go. Now that is installed, we are ready to just put this in to our central console. So let's do that. To install this, all you have to do is bring it in and align here in the edge, and then just slide it in. And makes it a really nice fit. Now we have the charger there. We haven't hooked it up yet. Let's first put the sunglasses in there to see how well it fits. And yeah, looks like it can fit 2 sunglasses here. Now to plug it in, I just routed the cable from around the central screen here, and here's your USB, and I have a USB splitter right here, so I'm gonna plug it into the USB splitter, and it's ready to go. So how this works is, if you do put your USB here, you can hide all this cable inside. You can close this wireless charger pad here, but you can't close the top lid here. So that's a disadvantage, that you can hide the cable, versus if you do use the cigarette lighter here, you have a little bit more room to hide your cable. Now onto the main charger. If you have a small phone, you can leave it in this default setting, but if you have a large phone like mine is the 12 Pro Max, what you need to do is extend this a little bit, and to do that, all you have to do is push this down. So hold on the top and then push it down a little bit. And you saw that the clip extended so that it can fit your phone. And to expand this claws, there are 2 buttons on the side. You can press on either side, and you just touch it. And you saw the claws opening up. And the final step is to just put your phone in here. And you saw that the claws kind of closed in by themselves, and then the phone started charging, which is pretty awesome. One great feature about this phone holder is that you have an ability to make this a horizontal or vertical. So you can just tilt this way, and now your phone is horizontal and is fully adjustable. So I can even have my phone kind of horizontal looking towards me while I'm driving, and I still have a pretty clear view of the front. So I really like that, how easy it is to tilt this and adjust it to whatever I want, so vertical or horizontal or whatever direction that I want. So I really like that. I also really like that the cable length is long enough to even reach the back USB ports here, which is a bonus, so we don't have to find any kind of extension. One thing I don't like about the charger is how close this is to the steering wheel and my gear stock. I wish this was a little bit up here so that it wouldn't block my view or be too close to my steering wheel. One thing you have to be careful with this charger is that while you are trying to adjust your phone, to not accidentally press on these buttons here, because if you're holding here, as you saw, the claws kind of open, and then now your phone is loose. Overall, this charger is really practical and useful. All you have to do is put your phone here, and it recognizes it and it starts charging it. I really like that. I don't have to do anything. Hope hope you enjoyed the installation of this phone holder / charger from Topfit for your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this charger. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the notification, come back for another video in my channel. I have a lot more Tesla videos coming. I also have a lot of videos doing similar installation in my channel, which I'm gonna put a link below for the playlist where you can watch all of my DIY installation for Tesla products. I really appreciate your time. I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.